What does white ash mean? White ash refers to both a type of tree and the appearance of ash left after burning. In the context of trees, it denotes a species of hardwood native to North America, known for its strength and durability. As a byproduct of combustion, white ash is the light-colored residue left behind, often considered a sign of a clean burn due to its mineral content. See more 63 species in genus Fraxinus, ash tree at monsteraholic.com. Does white ash mean good weed? In the realm of cannabis, white ash is not typically used to describe the quality of the weed. Instead, white ash in smoking generally indicates a cleaner, more complete combustion. If the ash left behind is white, it suggests that the material has been burned thoroughly, often associated with high-quality smoking products. However, it is essential to note that white ash alone does not guarantee the overall quality or potency of the weed. What is white ash? White ash is primarily known as a species of tree, scientifically classified as Fraxinus americana. This tree is recognized for its hard, heavy wood and is commonly used in furniture making, sports equipment, and as firewood. Additionally, white ash can also refer to the pale grayish or white residue left after burning wood or other materials. Is white ash good firewood? Yes, white ash is considered excellent firewood. Its high density and low moisture content make it burn hot and long, producing a steady heat and minimal smoke. This makes it a favored choice among those who rely on wood stoves and fireplaces for heating. White ash firewood is also less likely to create creosote buildup, which is a significant advantage for maintaining clean chimneys. What does white ash mean in smoking? In smoking, white ash often indicates that the material, whether it's tobacco, cannabis, or another substance, has been burned efficiently. A clean, white ash is typically a sign of good combustion, which means that the burning process was complete, and the product was of high quality. It's a subtle but useful indicator for those who are discerning about their smoking experiences. Is white ash a hardwood? Yes, white ash is indeed a hardwood. It is known for its strength and durability, which makes it a popular choice for various applications, including furniture, flooring, and sports equipment. Hardwoods like white ash come from deciduous trees, which lose their leaves annually and have dense, robust wood. How fast does a white ash tree grow? White ash trees are relatively fast-growing. They can add between 2 to 3 feet of height per year under optimal conditions. This rapid growth rate allows them to reach maturity quickly, making them a desirable option for those looking to establish a tree canopy or woodlot in a shorter period. How long do white ash trees live? White ash trees have a lifespan of about 60 to 100 years, depending on environmental conditions and care. In ideal conditions, they can live longer, but factors such as pests, diseases, and weather can affect their longevity. How to get white ash? Obtaining white ash can be done in several ways. If you are looking for the tree itself, you can purchase saplings from nurseries or tree farms. If you need white ash for firewood, local suppliers or firewood sellers often offer it. For those interested in the ash byproduct, ensure you are getting it from a clean, well-burned source to ensure quality. White ash versus black ash weed. White ash and black ash are not related to weed but are rather types of ash trees. However, if you are referring to the appearance of the ash residue in smoking, white ash is often seen as more desirable due to its clean burn compared to the darker, more sooty black ash. White ash versus green ash. White ash and green ash are both species of ash trees but have distinct characteristics. White ash, Fraxinus americana, is known for its strong, durable wood and lighter color, while green ash, Fraxinus pennsylvanica, is typically more resistant to drought and can tolerate wetter conditions. Green ash tends to have a more rounded leaf shape and is more commonly found in wetland areas compared to white ash. White ash versus swamp ash. Swamp ash refers to Fraxinus caroliniana, a species adapted to swampy, wet conditions. It is lighter and more porous compared to the denser white ash. White ash is preferred for its strength and durability, making it a better choice for furniture and sports equipment, whereas swamp ash is often used in guitar making due to its resonant properties. White ash versus white oak. White ash, Fraxinus americana, and white oak, Quercus alba, are both hardwoods but differ significantly in their properties. White oak is known for its tight grain and resistance to rot, making it ideal for barrels and outdoor furniture. White ash, on the other hand, is appreciated for its shock resistance and flexibility, often used in sports equipment and furniture. The choice between them depends on the specific requirements of the project. Common problems with white ash. White ash trees are susceptible to several problems, including the emerald ash borer, a destructive beetle that can kill the tree. Other issues include leaf spot diseases and ash yellows, which can impact the tree's health and appearance. Regular monitoring and timely intervention are crucial for maintaining the health of white ash trees. Benefits of white ash. White ash is highly valued for its strength, durability, and workability. Its wood is used in a variety of applications, including furniture, flooring, and sports equipment like baseball bats. The tree itself also provides excellent shade and can enhance the aesthetic appeal of landscapes. Can you grow white ash indoors? Growing white ash indoors is not practical due to its size and growth requirements. It is a large tree that thrives outdoors in spacious environments. For indoor planting, consider smaller tree species or houseplants that are better suited to indoor conditions. Understanding white ash in its various contexts helps in appreciating its value and applications, from its role in smoking to its uses as firewood and its characteristics compared to other trees. Whether you are a woodworker, gardener, or just curious about this versatile tree, knowing these details will enhance your knowledge and appreciation of white ash.